Welcome from the Philippines. We have arrived at this really cute floating cottage platform area. I'm not sure what you would call it, but it's super adorable. Has like a downstairs here with some lounge areas, and then an upstairs area. I'll show you guys in a bit. But this place is so beautiful, and we have it kind of pretty much all to ourselves. There's nobody else here, which is very surprising to us. But it's great. We rented a private boat for the 4 of us, and it cost about $3,500, and but that doesn't include the food. We had to go to the market to pick up some seafood and vegetables, and then also the entrance fees are separate as well. So hopefully I can tally all that up for you guys. Yeah, day 1 in Coron. So we're gonna go kayaking in this lagoon. It's called Pusong Lagoon, Pusong.
The S23 Ultra.
Oh yeah, let me show you guys what the upstairs looks like. Sorry, one second.
Oh, you got one.
So this is the upstairs. It's really cute. I mean, I just love the detailing of this like railing. So yeah, gorgeous, isn't it? It's really beautiful here. This spot is great. First spot was Kayangan Lake. Stop number 2 is Pusong Lake. The awesome thing about renting your own private boat is you can basically control the itinerary and how long you want to stay here. So while we're going to kayak, they will be cooking the food that we got from the market.
Professional siya.
Just got done snorkeling at the edge of the reef. It was so nice. I saw a turtle, I saw all kinds of coral, colorful soft coral and healthy hard coral, and lots of fishes. So yeah, so the boat's right there. They're actually making the lunch that they're grilling. And then if you just swim out that direction, that's at the edge of the reef is where all the really cool what do you call it, fishies and reefs are. But as you can see, the water is still pretty clear, even over here in the lagoon area. It's beautiful, and these like limestone cliffs, gorgeous. Oh, food is ready. Veggies. Yum. Shabug time. Thank you po. This is Barracuda Lake. This is the entrance here. They sell buko shakes right over there. And then you basically walk that way. Oh, interesting. I don't think we've been here.
Yeah, we don't. We didn't.
Yeah, see, told you. I was telling Fernando we haven't been here. He's like, yeah, we've been here. I'm like, I would have remembered. Some gnarly steps here. Yeah. They use old tires as a grip.
Good idea.
Ooh. This looks like a interesting way to get in the lake. Yeah, so you go down that way.
I can see the lake now.
It's like a maze. Yeah, this is cool. This is Barracuda Lake. There you go. Oh. Wow. It's pretty. That was a nice refreshing swim in Barracuda Lake. It's actually deeper than Kayangan Lake. The stairs heading to the lake is actually quite, yeah, quite gnarly. And so now we're getting some fresh buko or coconut water. They have shops over here. I think we're gonna get it from here. Hello, doggo. You're just chilling. Oh, hello, hello. You're just chilling. Enjoying the view. Okay, thank you. My coconut water. Good morning, guys. This is day 2 in Coron. We have arrived at Banol Beach. We have a little shaded area here, which is nice to like hang out. And then here's the actual beach itself. So right now, there are actually less boats than when we arrived. So it's actually really nice to go swimming right over here. They also sell coconut, fresh coconut over there. We call it buko juice here. And there's a whole bunch of other places to eat, so you can either bring your own lunch or maybe the tour that you're on will provide lunch. Puppies? Oh, there's so many of you guys. Oh my gosh, you are so cute. Hi. Hi. Oh, you have a necklace on. That's so cool. Oh my goodness.
Oh, the mama's protecting them. There's like 4 of them?
Yeah, there's like a whole bunch of them. Okay guys, this is my lunch right here. I decided to just bring my own fried chicken to the beach. And then we got some coconut water. Oh, hello. Ooh. So this is the part that we go underneath, like floating. Oh, this is warm here. This is fun. You just basically float on your back and just go backwards. Cool. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at right now. There's all these, if you look on the top here, there's all these like super ancient stuff. Like oysters almost. Right? Oyster shells maybe?